Welcome to Ask Logic, the video series where we're answering your questions. I'm Todd Smith and I'll be your host. Throughout this video series, we're going to cover things that we're experts in. So SEO, web design, web development, PPC, social media, photography, and videography. That's why we wanted to start Ask Lifted Logic, to help serve out content to people who aren't just our clients. Because the more you guys know, the better decisions you can make. Negative keywords. What does that mean?
So negative keywords are just as important as your keywords. If you want a little example, like I know it was 6 years ago, Adam came to me and another person and said, like, we have to show up every time someone searches web design in Kansas City.
That feels like an Adam thing.
Then you show him, like, when you Google worst web design in Kansas City.
DIY, shitty.
Yeah, like it's all going to show up. So there's certain standard keywords that are out there. Neil Patel does a good job of kind of giving you those. So it's always going to be things like cheap, DIY, eBay, Craigslist.
Things you don't want to show up for.
And sometimes we also know ones to start a campaign with. For example, like for McCown Gordon, we're going to want to negate the keywords that have something to do with where to get a job in commercial construction, or, unless we were running like a recruitment campaign. But for looking for their clients, they're not going to want people who are looking for jobs. They don't want people who are looking for schools or like ongoing education.
And whenever you have a campaign where you start to negatize things that are still applicable to your business, like careers is a really good example, that's when you know it's time to have a separate campaign. Right. Mm-hmm. So you can still run it. You can have a careers campaign and drop them on the careers page. And then you can have your commercial construction page or a campaign and drop them on the commercial construction page. So it's not saying you can't run ads for those negatized words. You just don't want them in that campaign. Feel free to hashtag AskLL on social media and we'll get to them as quickly as we can. But keep in mind, there are no stupid questions, especially in the digital space.